This is how we at DW Carpet Cleaning Singapore perform our carpet deep cleaning services. Step 1. Deep vacuuming. This helps to remove dust, dirt, dust mites, and other microparticles from the carpet. Step 2. Shampooing. This step helps to remove the germs that cause smells and odors from the carpet. Step 3. Rinsing. In this step, rinsing the carpet ensures a gentle and thorough cleaning of the carpet. Step 4. Water deep extraction. It helps to remove dead skin, microparticles, and excess water from the carpet. Check out the difference before and after our carpet deep cleaning service. If you are looking for carpet deep cleaning services, WhatsApp us now at 824100032.